boys, welcome to this episode of AriAndCars. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to anyone who has watched this from anywhere in the world. RIP to this man here who is getting a ticket for absolutely fucking nothing. We have a send venture tonight, and it is in Bakersfield. Let's get it. Alright guys, you guys have all asked me who has wrapped my cars, and I told you it was stage 5 wrap, so I went ahead and I brought the owner Jordan to tell you guys about his special he is running this month.
What's up? I'm Jordan with Stage 5 Wraps, and this month until September 15th we got 25% off of all full wrap vehicles, as well as a 40% off tint sale and a Tesla RE vegan sender sale. Mention Ari sent you.
Bro, rest in peace. This man is now getting arrested. Dude, God damn it. Alright boys, let's get to the meetup spot. Look at this cop recording license plates. Everyone get his fucking face. This is Jordan right here, fucking FBI agent. So I'll let you know this video is brought to you by Follows. As you know, they're going out of business. You guys can watch your local donuts burn out and get yourself a hot dog. Everyone hit the floor on that one, dog. Honestly. Dylan, bro, you almost got us killed. You told us to stand here. Why'd you do that? Drivers right now. Someone gonna warn everyone there's a fucking cop coming? Cop getting ready to get everything. Oh, he left. The permits are fucking valid, baby. That was just the meetup spot. We are on our way to the first spot, baby. Those are all girls in that vehicle. Evie, I know you're single. Go get that shit, man. Go get her right now. She parked right next to you. Oh my God! Shut the fuck up! Can we please explain how this man's woman was just driving? He said, "Babe, you hit. Give me the keys," and now he's driving. All right, boys, coming in hot with the guys. Who is that? Jay, you good? Jay, you good, man? You really just go ask for a number.
I'm like fucking rock hard, dude.
I think it's time for you to like come clean. I don't know if she could hear me or she goes, get her number. This is one opportunity in a lifetime.
She's with her boyfriend.
That is not her boyfriend.
100% is.
That is not.
100%.
That is definitely not. Is it really?
It is, yes. They came together.
I can hear you.
Yeah, you heard me.
Send it. Damn, bro, that was, I mean, maybe it looks like it was that long because it's an edited video. That was a solid 1 hour just for the first spot. All right, boys, we're on the way to the second spot. where are you going? Dude, you gotta get in there, bro. You can't stop standing there. You gotta fucking get in the seat.
Dude,
And we got that! Okay, bro, we cannot hit this spot. It's fucked. My exact point, this spot's too small.
Hey, I bought this shit yesterday.
Are you good?
Nah, the like back bumper part touched it.
Okay.
they see me rolling.
Yeah, boys, that spot was just no good. It was too narrow, so we decided to find a wider spot, boys. We're gonna hit this shit. I got the permits right here. Bring it on. Bring it out. Bring it on. I got the fucking permits on the side of me right now. All right, boys. This, oh my God. This location is brought to you by
Kid Winner, 105.7 FM.
what he said. Anyways, boys, so this is like a drift spot right here. It is not the best. This is all we could get here in this county, and the permits are pretty tough to get very last minute. So you see where this cone is. Jay has taken the due diligence to let us know not to go over this. So we're gonna enter from here. We're gonna gladly hit a right and a left sweeper. I mean, at the end of the day, dude, it ain't the best, but you gotta, you know, gotta work with what you got. The spot wasn't the best, but this spot's very good. They gave us one slide, so Dylan, go in the middle. We'll go around you.
A few moments later.
Envy, today you're gonna learn how to drift. Are you ready? He's hitting a left-hander. He's gonna focus on a Scandinavian flick. You know what that is? Remember, don't hit the curb. All right, let's hit it. a bitch. That was probably one of the hardest smacks of 2022. How do you feel about that right now?
Fuck it.
I mean, to hell with it, right? Like fucking piece of shit, dude. Honestly, my question to you is: you were full throttle into the curb. At what point did you not realize that you should let off?
I was trying to hold the brake and balance it out, but I kind of felt it flick out.
So you're like, if I'm gonna hit, I'm gonna make this worth the clip.
Fuck it.
We're gonna jack this up and we're gonna kind of see the damage, but by the looks of it, it looks like, I mean, so far it just looks like a fucked up arm. It looks like the wrap is still on there. Tire's still good. Maybe use it for another round. Fucking hell. Okay, so what we're gonna start off with is the right side where the impact happened. I'm gonna be honest with you, how the fuck is nothing happened to the side skirt, the door, or nothing? Look at this shit. Mint. This is fact. So, what the fuck? Tell us what we're looking at. Like,
this is beyond fact.
Dude, tell us what the hell happened. What's wrong with, like, what's broken?
I mean, nothing really, you know.
All right, so as you can see, the control arm has left the chat. It's time to see if it will drive. My boy, you made history today. As a drifter, shit happens, as you know. Tow trucks here picking up the car. Shout out to ABS Out Body to making sure this thing comes back better than ever. Shout out Bakersfield, y'all went fucking hard as shit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In the meantime, my name's Ari. These are cars. This tow truck driver's like, what the fuck's going on? Peace.
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too.
Hey, boss, hey, turn that off.
That's not even recording it, just to look cool.
No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you? Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you.